Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking. Hey everybody, welcome back. Tom Garber, the Keto Cook. Today we are going to make a little snack, but we're going to make eggplant. And what we're going to do with the eggplant is we're going to make it pizza style. Let's get cooking. All right, we're going to cut this up pretty quick. You want to get up underneath this little, I call it the hat. You could pick that apart. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this and, let's see how I want to do this. I think I'm going to just slice it into slices. Now, normally I would do this on a mandolin, okay? But I want them a little bit thicker, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to egg wash them, bread them. Wow, a lot of seeds. A lot of seeds. Alright. Well, about 1/4 of an inch or so. Alright. Okay. Cut it pretty nice. Some are a little thicker than others, but we want that because we want it to hold up. Alright. So, these are going to get dipped into an egg. I'm getting ready to crush up some pork rinds. And that's going to be the base. Then they go on to a little pan, a little olive oil, and they're going to go into the oven at 375 just to crisp them up a little bit, and then we're going to take them out and let them sit. Get them to almost room temperature, and then from there, we will dress them and put them in to the oven, and we're going to have a nice eggplant pizza snack. Okay, eggs in. Let me stick this off to the side here. Another fork. Into this one little tray here, I'm going to spoon in a little Parmesan. This will actually help it all stick a little bit better on the bottom. And just mix this up. And then we're going to start the process. Alright, a little bit of olive oil onto the tray. And I like to take a little brush and just evenly spread it to the pan. There you have it. Eggplant to the egg. One fork. Flip it over. I have to drain as much as I can off of it. Okay, I just want something that it will adhere to it. Now, just gently press down onto the pork rinds. And give it a nice flip. Get everything back together again. Now, do you want a heavy coating on here? No, you just want enough to stabilize it. And what I mean by stabilizing is that you're going to get a little bit of a crunch from it. Exactly what I'm looking for. So there you have it. Onto the pan. Alright. Pan number 1 and pan number 2. I had to use the 2 of the smaller pans. I should have used one big one, but this will work. Now, like I said, it's going to go into a 375 oven, And this is going to cook until they're golden brown. Take them out and let them cool. And then we're going to put the finishing touches on them. A little Tommy spice on them. There you go. Put the light on. Okay, doing the assembly here. Now, the aroma is unbelievable. This is going to be good. As you can see, they're a little limp, but that's fine. We can eat that with a knife and fork. I have no problem doing that. This is going to be tasty. Now, this is an alternative. You want a good snack. You want something really nice, light, but yet it will fill you up. I guarantee it. All right, there we go. Add a little Tommy spice to it. That's a nice basil on there. Also my go-to, some Mexican oregano. Crush it up and put it on. As soon as you open that jar, I can smell an Italian pizzeria. Guaranteed. Let me get my glove. This is going to go back into the oven just until everything's melted. Let's get a look and see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Almost snack time. Basil in the center here for a little color. And drop some parsley on it. And done. Okay, will they stand up? Let's see. Yeah, you know what? It looks pretty good. So what we're going to do is, like I said, you can top this with anything. This is really hot. Here we go. Oh baby, wow. This is really good. Really, really good. Look at that. Well, there you have it. Nice snack. All right, you want to call it pizza, you can. I call this eggplant margherita. Excellent, very good, very low carb, very hot. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna talk my mouth full, my mother smacked me from heaven. Gin Don, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Stop back next Wednesday and check out another Tom Glover, the Keto Cook. Stay safe. Thank you so much.